You know, the markets did close lower, but kind of a silver lining here is we didn't close on the lows of the day. At one point, the Dow was down 95 points, so closing down 36. Certainly not at the lows, but the S&P did drop for the first time this year and snapping that six-day rally. This was really kind of coming on the heels that European stocks falling the most in 3 weeks. Treasuries rising on a lot of this concern that the economic recovery may be slowing down as the government might be removing some of the stimulus measures. And also, as Pim was talking about, China ordering banks to set aside more reserves to cool off their expansion, and that all really just kind of leading to this down market. Materials, however, the biggest weight on the S&P, and Alcoa had the biggest drag in the Dow Jones Industrial Average and fell the most since March after reporting their fourth quarter profit that trailed analysts' estimates. Mainly, the company saying they faced higher energy and currency costs, and even some money managers saying that Alcoa's numbers did raise doubts about this earnings season. And of course, we have several more weeks to figure that out, though, as earnings season is just getting underway. Financials, the second biggest weight on the S&P, banks falling after an administration official saying President Obama plans to raise as much as $120 billion by charging financial institutions a fee to help recoup costs from the troubled asset relief program and also to help reduce the deficit. And a lot of those financials lower. Also, remember J.P. Morgan releasing their earnings on Friday. Crude oil had its biggest drop in 5 weeks on concern that China's economy might wane as the government removes those curbs to lending. And what we did see, a lot of the energy stocks lower. Also, Chevron not helping out matters, saying that last quarter's profit was lower than the previous period, and that actually added to ideas that maybe their fourth quarter results will disappoint investors. They said profitability from refining was significantly weaker. And before we open tomorrow, Pim, we do have earnings from American Airlines, also from Jefferies, just to kick things off. But just a couple of earnings there. Back to you.